Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are playing Tower of Hell and we're gonna attempt to win this game because it's actually really hard and I've been playing it for quite a while now. So hopefully I can actually win the game. Okay, 1 second. Oh my god, my mouse broke. Yeah. Okay, I fixed that. And also I'm here with my friend I Trash XY. I'll give her YouTube channel in the description down below. Go check her out. And also I'm gonna be announcing the winners like tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so we're on this level. Gonna do this parkour. Okay, pretty simple stuff so far. Gonna walk down. Okay, new level. Okay, so I normally really fall down this ladder like all the time for some reason. And this time I didn't, and that is good because we're like really high right now. And we don't want to fall. Oh my god, we just fell from the second last. No. And we have to get there again. Oh, that's... Okay. And comment down below if you want me to play more Jailbreak because, well, who doesn't like Jailbreak? Anyways, I'll be back in some time. Okay, so we're back on this level. Okay, pretty easy so far. Oh my goodness. We just fell. Oh, that. Oh my goodness, no. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I'm gonna get a new trail right now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, what did... I think I have that. Wait, no I don't. Let me just go down. I have the other version of this. Okay, that's not that great. Anyways. So this trail is pretty cool, but I don't really like it that much. Okay, we did that pretty easily. Okay, just some wraparounds, which I'm really bad at. Yeah, we did that. Okay, we're on level Climb. It's called Climb. I think I really like this level. Yeah, it's a nice level. Ooh. Oh, that was so close. Okay, we're on top of this, and now this is gonna come back soon. Yeah, we got it. Oh, that was so close. I almost fell to the bottom, which would be bad because I think this is quite up. Well, for me it is. Anyways, we fell. Oh my god, we fell. Okay, that's sad. Anyways, we're gonna do wait, what's it called? Push away. Anyways, we're gonna push away. Oh, it's because of the conveyors. Okay. Oh, I died at the end. Oh, that's sad. Okay, gonna just do these. I died. Oh, that was so bad. Anyways, we're just gonna continue. Okay, we're gonna skip since, I mean, we kept on dying. And sorry about the noises. Okay, gonna do these simple jumps. Not too. I fell. Oh my god. Anyways, it's fine. We were on the first one anyways, not a big deal. Okay, just gonna make it across. That was easy peasy. And also I'm gonna show a shortcut in this one, which you may or may have not known. Okay, you stand here and then you, okay, that worked, yeah. Instead of going down and be like doing 2-3 jumps, you can just do that. Oh, this is a hard one. Oh, this is hard. Okay, we're gonna wait for it to come. Okay. These jumps are like so stressful. Oh, that was so close. Oh my god, I almost died. I can't see. Oh, okay. Okay, are we out? Are we out? Yes, there's more. Oh, it's pretty easy. Just gotta stand here. The next one is so hard. Just gonna stop talking because it's distracting me. Okay, very slow. I cannot. I should have waited. Okay, anyways, we have skipped since we couldn't do it. I don't really think we're gonna win. Hopefully we do. We don't really have much time. Okay. And if you want more giveaways, please comment down below and tell me which ones you want. And I can hopefully give them out. And yeah. Okay. Just gonna do these. I get my camera all weird for this one because it's like much easier. Ooh, these jumps. Okay, just gonna. I did not touch that. That's so annoying. Okay. I don't think we're ever gonna win in this game. Okay. No skipping, I guess. Which should be a lesson for me how to play this game. She fell, so yeah, she wants to skip. Gonna skip. This one is like so fun to do and pretty easy, but I don't want to jinx this one. Anyways, okay, we're making it out alive. Okay, anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. Have a great day. Be nice. Goodbye.